شوفیر فرمولا ایسک توتملو کجباوکی کرد و دایکه که اسپانیه بشداری جی تی 3 کپ کل باجار بوداپست هنگاریا دنابرا 29 و 31 هفتان دلدارد که به 18 هفرکین خوره جبو بلند کرنا کوپا جی تی 3 بشدار بو. همو بشدارین وی ریسینگه اتومبیل یک مدلی داجون. بانا کل سر داجون 4381 متر و دنیف ساعته که دا نزدیکی 7 کیلومتری داجون. جبرکو ایساک باش مشق نکربو و بانا بوداپست جویرا نناس بو هنکی گازنج دکرن.
I haven't done any tests, so I just had one race, 26th of May in Monaco, but I didn't do so many laps because we have some problems in the car, and I haven't tested. This is my biggest problem now because all the drivers, they are testing, training, and for me it's my first time here, so it will be difficult.
ایساک لسر اتومبیل خو نویسنده بو بارزانی ریسینگ تیم و رنگین آلا کردستان لسر اتومبیل خو دانی بو. و بری ویجی پشتگیری جسروک هرما کردستان برز مسعود ورزانی ورگرته بو.
Because 2 weeks ago I was in Kurdistan, in Erbil, to see with my father to see Janab Sharok and Keke Masroor, and I asked the permission to Keke Masroor and Janab Sharok, and they said they gave me all the permission to go with Kurdistan colors, Kurdistan flag, and under the name of Barzani Racing Team. So for me it's a big honor, and I'm really happy to be racing with this support.
Do you have a black line on the car?
Yeah. I have a black line because I think it was 4 days ago, the mother of Janab Sharok died. So showing the respect of the death of the mother of Janab Sharok, I'm having this black line. I will also wear one here in my suite. Black line respecting also the mother of Janab Sharok.
ایساک ندکاری بشیوه که فرمی بناوی کردستان بشدار ببه وقت کدلی هر ولاد پروره کی دخوازه. ایساک د دسپیکا ریسینگ ده باش پیش وچو لی اتومبیل وی جاره که جه خود زیوری و بوی رنگی جه وی بوی دانزدمین.
Yeah, well, the race has started with very difficult weather conditions. It's been raining and the track was a little bit dirty because before us was the GP2 racing and they left the track a little bit dirty. So the first 4 laps, I start number 17. I've had some problems in the tires and in the car because I didn't have much grip. So I made some mistakes. Then I began to overtake some ones. I was following Khaled Al-Kubaisi, that he's quite fast in wet conditions. We were catching Andreas Mayer and Matthias Lauda, but I made a mistake in a turn, so I lost 20 seconds. And then I only had 6 laps to try to take them, and I took the 2 of them. And finally I finished 12th. That is not bad, starting from P17. And also, I think the car was quite good because I've done the second fastest lap overall. So be here for first time with this team and also with all these good drivers and have the second fastest lap is a good feeling for the following races.
Racing GT3 Cup بداوی بو اواکو ایساک توتملو بو اتومبیل جماره 8 دا بشدار بو. ایساک د دسپیک دا جماره 2 بو د لزیدا. پشتی کو اتومبیل وی خزبو هات جماره 12 لتوی و هویجی او انجام خرازی بو. جه بوداپست هنگاریا صالح کوبانی کردستان تیوی